Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज भी हम स्टोरी टाइम करने वाले हैं about my first boyfriend. I wouldn't call it a boyfriend, but था कुछ, ठीक है. Whatever it was, let's just say first boyfriend. School time, I think around 9th, when I was in 8th or 9th, yeah, somewhere around that time. So I just shifted. ये सोच के पागल हो रही है कि मम्मी भी सुनेगी, फिर मम्मी भी देखेगी ये वीडियो और मुझे जो छप्पड़ पड़ने वाले हैं. No mom, I love you. Sange. Now that's aside. Let's start. Okay, yeah. So I was in 9th or 8th or 9th that time, and I had just shifted to a new house. And every Sunday, we girls used to go to church together. And then my best friend, she was my neighbor at that time, and we used to go together, come back together. We used to do everything together.
A lot of her school. We were in different schools, but we were like the same age, same class and stuff. So there were a lot of her school friends that I became friends with too later. And so that Sunday, she told me that the previous Sunday I hadn't gone to church. And she told me that there's this guy that had come to church and everyone was crazy about him. And he liked this other friend of ours. Okay, so there was something happening between them, basically. Like this guy and another friend of ours. And then, so this Sunday I went to church and then I saw this guy. I was very innocent that, okay, disclaimer. I was सुधरी हुई संस्कारी बच्ची, मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती थी, मुंह तक नहीं खोलती थी मैं, ठीक है, I was like zipped. So I was a very shy kid.
When she took me to church, I saw this guy and I'm like, oh cute है, cute तो था बंदा. I will give him that. Cute तो था. So I saw him and I'm like, yeah, he is cute and this and that. No, that was the end of it for me. Okay, I'm like, हाँ cute है, end of story. क्या करेंगे? But I knew he like उसका और मेरे दोस्त का कुछ चल रहा है, like whatever. I don't know what was happening, but there was something happening. So I didn't want to go put my naak, पैर, हाथ उसके अंदर, just like whatever. So that Sunday we came back. We were just talking about him, like हम cute है. Cute बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. अभी जब सोचती हूँ. Anyways, next Sunday we go back to church, and this guy is there. Me and my friend are just like, but that was it. Okay, that was it. But that was not it. But क्योंकि मर्द तो मर्द होंगे, like I said. So after church and stuff, we were walking back home. So my house and the church were like walkable distance, like not even 2 minutes away. So we both were walking back home, and okay, so there was someone on the cycle behind, like वो cycle का bell होता है ना, ट्रिंग ट्रिंग. बंदा वो बजा रहा था पीछे से. Oh, now when I think of it, I'm like, what? Okay, so we were walking और ये बंदा पीछे से साइकिल का बेल बजा रहा है. And we thought कोई creep weep होगा. यहाँ वहाँ चलते रहते थे ये लड़के वड़के, लाइन वाइन मार के, मतलब लाइन okay. So we thought some creep just trying to get our attention or whatever, so we didn't turn back. And then it came closer. Okay, डर गए. We were like, what is this? We were so scared to turn. And then I don't remember what he said, but he was so close. And then he said something. I think he said, "You ignoring me" or something. I don't remember. It happened years ago. I don't remember. I remember he said something, and my heart came out of my chest. I'm just like, huh? Now me, that time, वो इतने साल पहले, I was very quiet and shy and मैं बात नहीं कर रही थी, तो मेरी ना अंदर से ऐसी हो गई, क्या 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 बोलूँ मैं. So then I looked at him and I'm like, hi. And फिर ऐसे बात करते करते he was trying to be flirty, okay, but again मैं सुधरी हुई संस्कारी innocent shy बच्ची और like भगवान बचा लो, I don't know what to do, I'm so scared. हाँ मैं वैसी थी. Then by the time he got me to say 2 words हम घर पहुंच गए. And as soon as we went to the building, we were screaming. It was like, what? Me? No. And wasn't he with the friend? Like, what is happening? And then तो तब Facebook का ज़माना था, because Facebook चलता था and Messenger hadn't started yet. Yeah, there was no Messenger yet. It was just Facebook and Facebook पे chat. So घर पहुंच के I didn't have a phone, okay, मेरे पास मेरे पापा का वो iPod था, ठीक है, so I used to use Facebook on that and like YouTube and stuff. So I logged into Facebook and I saw a message request from this guy. I'm telling my friend and I were just like squealing the whole time, and I was like, oh. तो फिर accept सब कर लिया and then he texted like hi. See my problem I've realized in life, मेरा दिमाग green पे go नहीं करता, red पे go करता है. red देखती हूँ go, ऐसा चलता है मेरे दिमाग का, फिर कट जाता है चलान. So मैं हुआ red flag, let's go, चले hi वापस भेजा. And then he was like, can I be your friend? My iPod, there was the problem with it was I couldn't continuously chat on Facebook, okay, it wouldn't get refilled, it बहुत पुराना था. So I had to log out of Facebook, log back in, message, log out, log back in, then message, okay, तो तभी वो messages आते थे. Now I'm telling you, एक हफ्ते के लिए अभी spoke like that way itself, 1-2 word यहाँ वहाँ. Then he like अब Sunday वापस आ गए, वापस church जाना है, like let's meet in church. And I think that's what happened. मुझे सब में याद भी नहीं याद अच्छी थी. But yeah, and just ऐसे करके went back to church and इशारे में बात कर रहा है वहाँ पे, like ऐसे just acted like I didn't exist, just act like I wasn't there. It was like, okay, but तभी भी दिल धक. And so then church में ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. And then came back home. Then I was in school and this and that and this and that. तो वो messages चलते रहते थे एक तो. I'm not going to say what he said on those messages, कि वो अलग ही story है. And then एक हफ्ते बाद पता चला मुझे. No, he asked me to be his girlfriend and all of that nonsense, okay. And then एक हफ्ते बाद पता चला that he was playing around with other friends of ours, like other girls, not one, not two, a lot of them. So my friend came and told me that after school. घर पहुंची मैं, and she's like, I need to tell you something. And I'm like, okay. And she's like, bro, this is happening. ये लड़का हर जगह पैर मार रहा है. I didn't know how to react. Okay. I didn't even talk to him that much. I saw him probably twice. एक ही हफ्ता हुआ था. दर्द तो हुआ, but we were kids. What was I supposed to say? Oh my god, दिल टूट गया मेरा. नहीं टूटा. I was like, oh, now what? Because it was my first time and I didn't know how to react. Okay, I didn't know how to react to anything. I was just like, okay, हो गया. And then I didn't bother texting him, nothing. I didn't block him. बात करना बंद कर दिया. And then yeah, I got into a lot of stuff. क्यों यहाँ वहाँ. And it's very funny because in that area every single girl knows this guy. Every single girl. there's not one house that this guy hasn't tried his luck in. Every single girl, when I say every single girl, I mean it. Like literally each and every girl. Everyone knows him. So yeah, playboy problems. But then we grew up. बहुत साल बीत गए. We met like once or twice here and there, but that time it was like all fine. It was like हाँ बचपना था, whatever. It was just like hi, hello ऐसा. I met him in college once. अपनी एक और कॉलेज की दोस्त के साथ उसकी स्कूल गई थी. उसकी स्कूल में कुछ फेस्ट चल रहा था, so I went with her और वो उसी स्कूल में था. And he was just like, do I know you? The audacity of this man, I swear. I was like, huh? Then it hit me. गाली भी तो नहीं दे सकती. This guy has been with so many girls and he doesn't even remember. And he's like, do I know you? And I was like, do you want me to remind you? Then I'm like, no, I just make a fool of myself because I was that dumb. Like, why am I so dumb? I don't know. I was speechless. I was like, no, I don't know you. You don't know me. I'm so done with men. I'm so done with men. But no, I still like men. Why? I don't know. Is there anything to like in men? No. But do I still like men? Yes. Do I have another option? No. Life is unfair, but it is what it is. So that was that. Then met again a few years later at some party or something. He tried texting me once, I remember. I was with my sister that time. And we both just died laughing. And I was like, there is no way. He probably forgot me again and like probably texted me, oh, new girl. I don't know, but I didn't even bother replying after that. I don't want to be anywhere near you. So that happened. Then a lot of years have gone by now and we've like grown very old. And we do follow each other and I do see his stories and I think he is with someone and genuinely I hope he's changed and whoever he's with, she's happy and he's happy and everything's fine because like it's been so long, we were kids that time. We learn from our mistakes, right? Yeah, make a lot of mistakes. Anyways, so I hope everyone just happy and everyone just finds their happily ever after, and I see him doing well too, so that's a good thing, I guess. It was just very funny. It was just a very funny incident because it was like I saw you, next day we're dating, the next day we're not, and then a few years later you're like, who are you? And then you text me and then you're like, oh god. It was like tuck, 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 tuck. And I was like, everything just happened so fast and it was just so funny. I was like, what happened? It was just like zoop. But I was like, what happened? What's happening? But yeah, hopefully everything happens for a reason. I learned from my experiences, not the good ones, but okay. So guys, that was it for today, and I know it's a very weird achieved C video. I didn't know what else to make. So if you have any other ideas, please do leave a comment and let me know what else I can do. And please give me ideas. मेरा दिमाग इतना नहीं चलता. मैं दिमाग already flight पे ऐसे घिसती रहती हूँ. मैं अपने दिमाग को flight पे की घर आते आते चलना बंद हो जाता है. So I can't think more than this. So if you have any ideas, please do let me know, and I will definitely try making videos on those. And if I can improve in any way, I know मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा करती रहती हूँ. So if I can improve in any way, if I can change anything, do let me know. I will definitely check it out. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you. Oh, do like. Please subscribe. To really help me कि मैं थोड़ा और ज़्यादा बक करूँ, फिर थोड़ा कम करूँ. But if you like me, अगर आप मेरा बक करना पसंद है, please do subscribe and help me grow. फिर प्यार सी शक्ल पे थोड़ा सा तरस खा लो. Please help me grow and learn. And you can always follow me on Instagram for behind the scene stuff and a lot of other stuff that goes on in my daily life. Bye guys.